Hello everybody. Now guys, in this video I gonna talk about Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 LED based tablet. Previously I made two videos on the same tablet, comparison with both tablet, and one is only one comparison with Panasonic tablet. Now guys, I gonna tell you about the some basic feature and some special features of this tablet in this video, and keep watching. And if you want to purchase this tablet, and if you have this tablet, then you definitely and must watch this video. First of all, this tablet comes with HD display. For those who want to study on this tablet and want to make some project on this tablet, this tablet is really benefited for them within reasonable budget. Some more features about this tablet is this tablet comes with 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, one additional processor with small included inside of the tablet, and 2 GB RAM in this tablet. In my previous video I already said that this RAM is totally disappointed, and now I also repeat that this RAM is for this tablet is totally disappointed. We must need 3 GB RAM in this tablet to perform good in our experience. At the time of purchasing, you got in this tablet operating system Android 10, but when you start this tablet you got automatically update Android 11. So this is really good for and really smart technology for this tablet. Now one more good thing about this tablet comes with 5000 mAh battery, which is really pleasurable features of this tablet. I really get personally pleasure from this feature. If you use this tablet as normally, then you can easily accessible 2 days, and if you play some games, then 1.5 days is enough for this. Now guys, come to next. This tablet weight is 340 like that 350 grams and this tablet is completely metallic body. Now guys, come to inside of the tablet. Now let's talk about connectivity and network features of this tablet. This tablet comes with Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth support, headphone support, and SIM support. But this tablet comes with two variant. One is LED based, one is non-LED based. Like that, one which only Wi-Fi is accessible, one which both Wi-Fi and LED based is accessible. At the time of purchase, you have to choose one. This tablet have only one slot for SIM and one slot for memory card, and only nano SIM is supported in this tablet. Now come to sensor. This tablet sensor is highly compatible with Samsung features, and Samsung technology is used in this sensor. Now guys, come to core part of this video. Now guys, the basic point is this tablet have some feature and another tablet have some feature, but why you choose particular this tablet for your personal use? Now guys, I will brief some basic feature which will find in this tablet, and as well as you find another tablet also. So guys, some basic feature is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LED, rear camera, autofocus. This all are available. Face camera, flash not available. SIM support is available, micro SD available, but sometimes flash is available in this tablet. But compared to other tablet, all the features sometimes is available, but face camera is more or less same. Now come to the special features of this tablet. Those features only you find in this particular tablet. No other tablet you find these features. Now this special features I called one special name. The name is Special 6 Sides. Now guys, let's talk about these Special 6 Sides. First, dual speaker. Second, kids home. Third, focus mode. Fourth, 5100 mAh battery. Fifth, LED support. Sixth, sensor, accelerometer, light sensor. This special 6 sides of this tablet you find only this tablet in this particular tablet. No other tablet you find these features. One point guys, this tablet does not support FM radio. This tablet comes with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal memory, and you can upload a 512 GB memory card in this tablet. Now let's talk about camera of this tablet. This tablet support 8 megapixel in rear camera with no flash support, and 2 megapixel in front camera with flash support, but flash is on screen, not on a particular dot. You support the flash on screen at the time of clicking the picture. Some white radiation will create in your screen. Now I'm gonna talk about the last and most important thing of this tablet is processor. In this processor we support CPU speed, 2 GHz and CPU type quad core. Now guys, I have to explain this processor in briefly. Now guys, in the context of the octa-core, as the name suggests, the octa-core processor is made up of 8 processor cores that empower Galaxy smartphone. That means the Samsung Galaxy support, most of the Samsung Galaxy support octa-core processor. Octa-core processor is the latest version of the Samsung, and this processor support some jet edge jets. This processor is support that high quality video resolution and advanced technology that speed of this processor. According to the system, according to the device, this processor take some speed facility, speed capacity of the particular device. For this device, 2.0 GHz speed support for this particular tablet is available. You can access multiple tasks in this tablet like that. One side your WhatsApp is on, and one side is YouTube is on, and one side is Google is on, and one side your personal work is on. This kind of support in this tablet is particularly available for this such a particular octa-core processor. As the processor name suggests, that in this processor we gonna see 8 small chip in this particular tablet. If you want to know what is octa, what is core, what is processor, then you have to search up particular on this topic in YouTube. You can watch already available more than thousands video on YouTube. So guys, this is the full information about this tablet. Now let's talk about the price of this tablet in India. In India, this tablet come with two variant, that one is LED based, one is non-LED based. Both the price more or less same, but only 1000 rupees is different from this. You can avail this tablet in 10,000 to 12,000 rupees. Now guys, if you are a student, then you can purchase it from the Samsung official website. In this official website, you have to produce your ID card of the student, that you are a student, and you can get handsome discount like 1000 to 1500 discount in this particular tablet. Like if the tablet price is 10,000, then you can buy it from 8500, as I purchased this from Samsung official website. So guys, keep watching and keep informative web. So subscribe to my channel, and I will back with another new and exciting video. So guys, thank you for watching this video fully, and God bless you all.